Hello everyone, Sheila back again. Today I'm going to show you another one of our Thompson Leisure exclusive editions. Let's try that again. Oopsie, I did. This is our Elddis exclusive 194 with high single / high double. Come on, let me show you. So as this is an exclusive edition, you'll see it right here. This is exclusive to us. You will only be able to buy this from us in here. Otherwise, possibly get a second-hand one somewhere else, but they will be our branded, our Thompson Leisure bespoke design. All the graphics you see here, that's bespoke design by us. The internal, we do the same. We design the whole thing, and all the added extras you won't get on another Elddis 194. You'll only get them on this one. So you have your full length awning, your outside barbecue point, and your gas locker. Down here is your large garage and your removable carpets in there as well. Around the back we've also added a bike rack to it and a reverse camera as well. This also comes with a solar panel as well, all included in the price. Let's go take a look inside. So here is your main lounge area, and this makes up a double bed. You'll see just beside me is the TV bracket that comes included. As this is our exclusive edition, there is a ton of spec that we add on to these vehicles that you won't get on any other vehicle. Exclusive edition, as I mentioned, just here, and that's a Thompson Leisure exclusive. You'll not get this vehicle anywhere else, just here from us. We have added the huge, it's called a Meditiki sunroof, and down here is your multimedia system here, along with your aircon, your USB ports. This is a manual. Of course, you also have cruise control, speed limiter, all the mod cons. If you want to see the full spec, I'll link it below. Back down to the rear of the vehicle. Now, lovely little features, curtains, lights, reading lights and stuff in here as well. Moving down though to your kitchen area, you have your 3-way under the counter fridge just here. You have your large sink as well. Your 3 gas hob and electric hot plate just here, and your separate grill and oven just below. Also in this vehicle you do have your microwave just above, and real nice finish here as well. Your cupboard space. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you have your high single / large double here. If you wanted to make it a single, you just remove your pillow setup, and then you have your steps all the way up here. So up here you do have plugins. You have your USB ports here as well, and then a nice little storage space. If you wanted to put any essentials in there, they're easily at the hand. Below you have tons of storage, just down in here, and then of course you can also access that from the top as well. Again on the other side as well. And of course in these steps also. Now leading to your bathroom setup, which is just in here. And that's really it, folks. If there's anything else you'd like to see about this vehicle, please let me know. I have no problem making up this bed for you to see. Anything at all, let me know. You can contact me, marketing@thompsonleisure.com. You can give me a call, 028 9269 3999, or you can drop a message in the comments and I'll pick them all up. See you in the next video.